Can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Number of bones in human body. दीदी
26.
वेरी गुड. क्लैप करिए इनके लिए. नंबर ऑफ मसल्स. राजीव 600. Is it right? Yes.
639.
639. Very good. Number of kidney. 2. Number of milk teeth. 20. Number of permanent teeth. 32. Number of ribs. 12 pair or 24 in numbers. 12 pair or 24 in numbers. So number of ribs 12 pair or 24 in numbers, right? Next. Number of chambers in human heart. Yes?
4.
4. Very good. Clap for him. Largest artery. Largest artery. Aorta. Very good. pH value of blood. pH value of blood. Yes, pH value of blood. Yes, up. You. Then 7.4. 7.3, 7.4. That is 7.4. Very good. So, come in. 7.4. That is the pH value of blood. Next question. Number of vertebrae in a spine. Backbenchers, answer me. Number of vertebrae in a spine. How many vertebrae are there in human spine? Yes, you. No, behind you. 33. Clap for him. Good job. Number of vertebrae in neck. Neck. Yes, you.
7.
Number of vertebrae in neck.
7.
7. Good job. Next. Number of bones in middle ear. Ear. Yes, you.
6.
That is 6. Good job. Number of bones in face. Number of bones in face. Yes.
22.
Is it 22? No. Number of bones in face, that is 14. Clap for him. So the correct answer is 14. Number of bones in face. Number of bones in face. That is 14. Number of bones in skull. Number of bones in skull. How many it is? Yes, you. Is it 25?
No.
20? Number of bones in chest. Yes, you. Get up.
25.
Is it 25?
Yes, sir.
Is he correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, number of bones in chest, that is 25. Number of bones in arms. Number of bones in arms, yes.
6.
Number of bones in arms. Is it correct?
6.
That is 6. That is the correct answer. Number of bones in arms, that is 6. Then, in arms, that is 6. So, number of muscles in human arms. 72. Largest organ? Yes.
Liver.
Largest sense organ? Skin. Now, smallest cell? Blood cell. That's the correct answer. Blood cell. So, smallest cell is blood cell. Smallest bone? STP. STP. Where this one is found?
In a year.
In ear. First transplanted organ. Only 3 or 4 students can answer it. First transplanted organ. That's human heart. That is heart. Average length of a small intestine. Yes. Is it 7.3 or 7 meter? What is 7.3? Centimeter? Millimeter? Then what? Centimeter? No. That is 7 meter in length. What is it? The length of a small intestine. What is the length of large intestine? What is the length of large intestine? Yes.
1.5 meter.
1.5 meter. Average weight of newborn baby. Average weight of newborn baby. जन्म के समय एक बच्चे का वजन कितना होता है एवरेज रूप से? यस यू थीली व्हाट थीली 2.6 kg. दैट इज द एवरेज वेट ऑफ न्यूबॉर्न बेबी, नॉट थीली. ठीक है. व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ इट? 2.6 kg. 2.6 kg. वेरी राइट. Pulse rate in 1 minute. How many times? 72 times. No gossip, please. Average human body temperature. Average human body temperature. Yes.
98.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
98.4
5 degrees Fahrenheit.
degree Fahrenheit. Average blood volumes in human body. Yes. 4 to what? 4 to 5.
4 to 5 liters.
4 to 5 liters. Average life of RBC. Yes, get up and answer it. You. 100. Average life, इधर मत देखिए. Average life of WBC.
13 to 20 days.
13 to 20 days. Why the life span is so less of WBC? WBC का लाइफ स्पैन कम होता है किससे? RBC से. क्यों? कोई बताएगा? बोलिए.
Because it protect our body.
हाँ, दैट द डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म ऑफ आवर बॉडी. वो हमेशा लड़ता रहता है. जो लड़ेगा वो मरेगा. बट दैट्स नॉट द साइंटिफिक आंसर, राइट? हाँ, तो WBC का लाइफ स्पैन क्या है आपका? 13 to 20 डेज. एंड लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ RBC. हाँ, तो दोनों में अंतर आप बात करेंगे तो RBC जो है वो क्या है आपका? हमारे शरीर में वो फूड को, ऑक्सीजन को वो क्या करता है? पूरे बॉडी में ट्रांसपोर्ट करने का काम करता है ना? भेजने का काम करता है. और WBC जो है वो क्या है आपका? वो आपके हाँ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म है. वो आपको बीमारियों से बचाने का काम करता है ना? सो कैन बी रिपीट दिस आंसर अगेन. व्हाट इज द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ RBC? 120 डे. व्हाट इज द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ WBC? 13 to 20. इसलिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? फॉर एवरी 6 months ए हेल्दी मैन कैन डोनेट हिज ब्लड और हर ब्लड. अगर वो हेल्दी है तो वो क्या कर सकता है आपका? हर एक 6 महीने पर ब्लड डोनेट कर सकता है ना? लेकिन बहुत सारे यस. So life span of RBC 120 days, life span of WBC that is 13 to 20 days. Pregnancy period in human that is 280 days. Number of bones in human foot 33. Number of bones in human foot 33. Largest endocrine gland. Yes. Thyroid. Spleen or thyroid? Thyroid. So largest endocrine gland thyroid. Lymphatic gland. Now you can answer it. Yes, spleen. Lymphatic organ, largest lymphatic organ, spleen. Largest cell, largest cell. Now one by one. Largest continent, Sahara Desert is in. Longest river, smallest country, Great Barrier Reef located in. Have silence, please. Great Barrier Reef located in Australia. That is between Australia and New Zealand. Both of the island, it's a country as well as continent, or you can say it's a island as well, isn't it? Coral island. It is made up of coral. Sahara Desert is in Africa. Longest river, Nile River. Smallest country, Vatican City. Great Barrier Reef located in Australia. Planet known as Red Planet. Highest mountain in the world. Capital of Canada. River flow through prairies. Seine River. So prairies is a grassland. Prairie is a prairies grassland. कहाँ के grassland को prairies कहते हैं? North American grassland is known as prairies. प्रेरी से होके निकलने वाली जो नदी है वो कौन सी नदी है? दिस इज सीन रिवर. गंगा मोस्टली लोकेटेड इन. गंगा जो है वो गोमुख हिमालय से निकलने के बाद नॉर्थ इंडिया में बहती है ना? सो गंगा मोस्टली लोकेटेड इन इंडिया. हार्डेस्ट नेचुरल सब्सटेंस. हार्डेस्ट नेचुरल सब्सटेंस. इस धरती पर जो नेचुरल सब्सटेंस है उसमें जो सबसे मजबूत है, इवन इट इज हार्डर देन इट इज इवन हार्डर देन आयरन, है ना? मोस्ट ऑफ द मेटल यू हैव, दिस इज द हार्डेस्ट वन. इट्स ए मिनरल. इट्स ए सो व्हिच वन इज द हार्डेस्ट मिनरल? Gas do plants absorb while from atmosphere while photosynthesis? That is CO2. Pumping station of human body. Water boils at. Water boils at. Planet known as the Earth twins. Venus, isn't it? Process through which plants make their food. Largest mammal. Part of plants can conduct photosynthesis. Hottest planet. First president of United States. First president of United States. George. Olympic game originated in yes. In which year?
1896.
Silence. 1896. Right? No murmuring. Look here. Olympic game originated in Greece, right? Known as Iron Man of India. Mahatma Gandhi lead the Salt March from where? Dandi is in? Sabarmati is in? Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi born in Gujarat?
Yes, sir.
है ना? He is a Gujarati. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Adani. Ambani. They all are Gujarati.
Yes, sir.
Tycoons. Huh? Very fertile land. Gujarat. Next question. Civilization known for building pyramids.
Sir,
Yes,
Egyptian.
Egypt. Civilization known for building pyramids. Egyptian. तो पिरामिड बनाने की जो परंपरा है वो कहाँ शुरू हुई थी? आपका इजिप्ट में, राइट? डिस्कवर्ड अमेरिका, क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस. इन व्हिच ईयर? 1492. Great Wall of China built to protect against Mongols. Great Wall of China was built to protect against Mongols. First emperor of China. One, you. Queen Shi Huang was the person who was the first emperor of China. Largest Mughal emperor, India. Not first, last. Bahadur Shah Zafar. He was the last Mughal emperor. Who was the first Mughal emperor? Babur. Next. Diwali known as Festival of We celebrate Republic Day in which month?
26 January.
Republic Day. Independence Day. 15th August. National animal of India. Classical dance of Kerala. National flower of India. Pongal festival celebrated in where? Tamil Nadu. Baisakhi celebrated in? Baisakhi celebrated in? City known as Pink City. Jaipur. Known as Sipao Desert. Inventor of light bulb. One, anyone? You.
Thomas Alva Edison.
Thomas Alva Edison. Very good. Planet with most moons. Saturn.
Yes, sir.
Very good. How many moons are there?
172.
172. National bird of India.
Peacock.
Yes, you. Backbenchers. National bird of India. Peacock. Sit down. A study of weather called.
Meteorology.
Yes.
Meteorology.
Meteorology. So, wishing you all the best. Next question. How many sense organ does a human body have?
Five.
Sense organ. You backbenchers. Who is going to answer it? Number of sense organ. You get up. Height. High. Height. 5. Yes, he is correct. So, number of sense organ we have. How many sense organ we have? 5. Sit down. Next question. What is at the center of our solar system? So, what is हमारे solar system के बीच में क्या है?
The sun.
That's our sun. Which part of plant conduct photosynthesis? Number of bones? Capital of India? Longest river in India? How many oceans are there in the world? 5. India get independence? 1940? Taj Mahal located in? How many hours in a day? 24 hours. Last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, we already discussed it. First Indian received the Nobel Prize. Can you tell me the name of book?
Gitanjali.
Gitanjali was the book for for his creativity in literature. He got the Nobel Prize in British era. In British era, not Sarah, era, युग उस काल में मिला था इनको, है ना? So, which mountain peak the highest in the world? Capital of China? Beijing. Capital of China? Largest state in India by area? How many months make a year? Animal is also called sheep of desert. Who is the president of India? Festival celebrate that is the birthday of which god?
Jews.
Christmas Day we celebrate
Jesus Christ.
birthday of Jesus Christ. That is called Christmas, right? First man to step his foot on the moon. Neil Armstrong. City known as the Pink City. City known as the Pink City. Very good. Players are there in cricket team. 11. Largest egg in the world. Largest bird in the world. अंडा भी बड़ा, खुद भी बड़ा, भागवो भी बहुत कर. Currency of USA. US dollar. Dollar, right? Australian dollar. So US dollar is the currency of USA. Can anybody tell me the full form of USA?
United States of America.
Number of states in 50. 50. All right. Can you tell me the name of his flag? Its flag of USA. Name of the flag of USA. Name of the flag of USA. A star, a steps. A star. So how many stars are there?
50.
Each star represents
States.
number of states. So how many stars must be there?
50.
50 stars are there, right? Smallest state in India. National flower. From back side, you sit down. Yes, you. Lotus is the national flower of India. Capital of Japan. Animal. National animal. The sun rises in which direction? Longest river in the world. Nile. Nile flow through. नाइल कहाँ बहती है? अफ्रीकन कंट्री में. और इसके बाद दूसरे नंबर पर कौन आता है? अमेजन. बट अमेजन कैरीज टू मच वाटर. अगर हम बहाव के दृष्टिकोण से देखें तो अमेजन जो है दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी नदी मानी जाएगी, लेकिन लेंथ में जो है वो कौन माना जाएगा? नाइल. नाइल अफ्रीका में बहती है और अमेजन साउथ अमेरिका. वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर हिम. बिगेस्ट कंटिनेंट. Which gas make up the most of the Earth atmosphere? World Literacy Day. When we celebrated World Literacy Day?
September.
In the month of September, right? World Literacy Day. How many years are there in a century? Penicillin discovered by? What is penicillin? Penicillin is a Which mammal can fly?
Bat.
मैमल के बारे में कोई बताएगा? मैमल की क्या खासियत होती है? यस
मैमल सर वो दूध पिया सकता है अपने बच्चे को।
कान पाया जाता है।
मैमल सर अंडा नहीं दे सकता।
हाँ, वो एक नहीं ले करता है, वो डायरेक्ट बेबी देता है। इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग अ बर्ड इट्स बॉर्न द बेबी। यस, सो यस, Alexander Fleming, which is the mammal that can fly, that is? Which is the largest living animal on the earth?
Elephant.
Elephant on the earth, and in water, that is? Okay. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Planet nearest to the sun? Mercury. Vitamins that helps in blood clotting. Blood clotting. Which vitamin? Which vitamin? I am asking you the name of vitamin which helps in blood clotting. Vitamin K. Very good. Clap for him. Vitamin K helps in blood clotting. At which point of the earth there is no gravity at all? Where?
Sir,
Yes?
on equator.
No. At the center of the earth. At the center of the earth. Can you tell? Can you surely tell that equator is the center of the earth?
Yes sir.
No. So at the center of the earth there is no gravity. At the center of the earth there is no gravity. pH value of H2O?
7.
7. It is acidic or base?
Neutral.
It's neutral. It's
Neutral.
ना तो वो एसिड है ना ही क्या है आपका बेस है ना। तो वाटर इसलिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पी सकते हैं, वो न्यूट्रल वैल्यू वाला है। Now, following compound used in hand sanitizer. Yes, which compound? Alcohol. Alcohol. SI unit of frequency.
Hertz.
Stand up and answer it.
Hertz.
Hertz. Can you tell me the frequency of the range we can hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
20 at jet to 20,000 at jet.
20 Hz to 20,000 Hz। तो ये जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है 20 Hz से लेके 20,000 Hz का फ्रीक्वेंसी हम सुन सकते हैं। उससे कम की फ्रीक्वेंसी या उससे अधिक की फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारा कान रिसीव नहीं कर सकता है ना। सो द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज measured in hertz. Frequency is measured in SI unit of frequency, that is hertz. And what's the wavelength of it? 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Got it? Acid turns blue litmus paper into which color? Blue litmus paper को किस में चेंज कर देता है?
Red.
In red color. Following enzyme is not present in the human stomach. Trypsin. Which enzyme? A gland present in human mouth. Gland present in human mouth. And salivary gland secretes
Saliva.
saliva. Can you tell me the function of saliva? Saliva क्या करता है? It helps in digestion. It's moisturize our food. जो कुछ भी खाते हैं उसको वो क्या कर देता है? मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है उसको गीला कर देता है ना. Next, salivary, the gland which is present above our kidney. किडनी के ऊपर कौन सा ग्लैंड पाया जाता है? एड्रिनल. Which gland? Adrenal. Basic unit of our excretory system. Basic unit of our excretory system. Nephron. Name the Newton's first law of the motion. Newton's first law of the motion. That is called
Inertia.
law of inertia. Clap for her. That is called law of inertia. So what is the first law of Newton's first law of motion? That is law of inertia. Law of inertia. Very good. What is the color of CO2 gas? CO2 का क्या कलर होता है? All the gases are colorless. All the gases are colorless. Color of CuSO4. Color of CuSO4.
Sir, it is also colorless.
No, it is white in color. SI unit of electric charge. Coulomb. SI unit of electric charge. Coulomb. Name the part of eye which is where image is formed. आई का वो भाग जहाँ पे इमेज फॉर्म होता है. आई का वो भाग जहाँ पे इमेज फॉर्म होता है. कहाँ पे? दैट इज इन कॉर्निया. वेयर? इमेज का फॉर्मेशन कहाँ होता है आँख में? कॉर्निया पे. अगर आपको कुत्ता ने काट लिया तो कौन सी डिजीज आपको हो जाएगी? कौन सा बीमारी हो जाएगा? रेबीज. रेबीज को क्या होता है? रेबीज जो कुत्ता काट लेगा उसको, हाँ, वो मौत हो जाती है उस आदमी की, अगर वो प्रॉपर वैक्सीन उन्होंने नहीं लिया है ना. रेबीज के जो पेशेंट होते हैं उसके गले से पानी नहीं उतरता है, हवा के झोंका में उसका दम घुटने लगता है. बहुत सारे देखा है. यस. SI unit of lens power. SI unit of lens power. Diopter. SI unit of lens power. Diopter. Scientific name of humans. Scientific name of human. Homo sapiens. Scientific name of human.
Homo sapiens.
Homo sapiens. भाखरा नांगल on which nadi, which river? Satluj. भाखरा नांगल. टिहरी डैम. भागीरथी. टिहरी डैम. सरदार सरोवर. नर्मदा. इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल. Where is it? In Rajasthan. Indira Gandhi, where it is? Nagarjun Sagar, on which river? Krishna river. Indira Gandhi canal on Satluj river, right? And Hirakund? Mahanadi. Tungbhadra? Tungbhadra. Rihan? Bhavani? Ukai Dam. Ukai Dam? Get up and answer it. Tapi river. Very good. Clap for him. Ukai Dam is in Gujarat. Ukai Dam is in Gujarat. On which river? Tapi river. Idukki Dam. On which river? Periyar river. Where is it?
Periyar river.
Where is it? Kerala. Kerala. Mittur Dam. Kaveri river. Mittur Dam.
Kaveri river.
Where is it? Tamil Nadu. Almaty Dam. Karnataka. Isn't it? Now, so next, animals are called
Heterotrophs.
heterotrophs, right? Heterotrophs are also called primary consumers. They are called primary consumers. Food that we eat contains substance, nutrients. Main source of energy, source of carbohydrate, source of carbohydrate. Any one of you stand up and answer it. What is the source of carbohydrate? You.
Potato, sugar.
Potato, sugar, rice, bread. These are the different sources of carbohydrate. Silence. Substance that give more energy than carbohydrate. Can you tell me the source of fats? Food rich in carbohydrates and fats are called. Food rich in carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving food. They are called help us to grow. Help us to grow. Protein. Body building substance. Source of protein. Sources of protein.
Milk.
Yes, pulses. Egg, fish, meat, pulses. Protective foods are called. Provide bulk to the food. Percentage of water in human body. We should drink at least how many glasses of water? Process of breaking down of food into similar substance, that is called digestion. We get sunlight. Vitamin we get from sunlight. Saliva is a digestive juice. Saliva is a digestive juice. Other name of food pipe. Average length of a small intestine and feet 22 feet. Kind of teeth human gets in their life.
Two. Two, sir.
That is the kind of teeth. In human life, how many times you get teeth? Number of male teeth? 20. Permanent teeth? A teeth comes out in our mouth when a child becomes adult. That is called? Incisors are also called. Incisors are also called cutting teeth. Number of incisors in our mouth. Number of incisors in our mouth. 8. This one is incisors. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. So in total in number they are 8 in numbers. Now numbers of canine. These are the canine. Very pointed teeth. That is called canine. The function of canine is to tear the food, tear the meat. Certain animals like carnivorous having the largest canine. Why they have largest canine? Because they eat meat. Right? So, number of canine? 4. Number of canine? 4. Work of canine. What the function of canine in our mouth? To tear the food. Work of molar and premolar. To grind the food. To grind the food. Outermost part of the teeth. What is the substance which is hardest in human body? Enamel. Where it is found? At the upper surface of our teeth. At the upper surface of our teeth. Tooth is made up of calcium, phosphorus and minerals. Calcium, phosphorus and yes, ability of an organism to live in a particular environment, that is called listen
Adaptation.
listen the question first. Ability of an organism to live in a particular environment, that is called adaptation. A place where an organism freely live, they are called
Habitat. Natural
habitat.
habitat.
Plant live on land, they are called terrestrial plants. Plant grow on mountain,
Coniferous
coniferous
plants.
plants. Coniferous plants grow on. Can you tell me the name of coniferous plant? Yes.
And pine.
Pine, spruce, cedar and fir, right? Tree remain green throughout the year.
Evergreen tree.
Those trees remain green throughout the year. They are called
Evergreen.
evergreen trees. Example of evergreen tree. Example, yes. Deeper and rubber. Lizard plant have. Lizard.